Welcome to Binkley Sculpture Studios. We're standing inside the gallery, but behind me is one of our exterior sculpture gardens. And today we're going to talk about deassessing art. And deassessing is a term used in conjunction with public art, and it usually means to destroy or remove a public art piece. So we are going to deassess a sculpture out in the sculpture garden. It's a piece that I carved in 1988. It's a female nude seated on a rock, carved from white Italian marble. But several years ago, we noticed a fissure forming in the center of the sculpture, and that has rendered her unsalable. So she has been part of our personal art collection for many years. But today we are going to deassess the sculpture and use the broken pieces for some smaller Binkley sculptures sometime in the future. So let's go out in the garden now, and we are going to deassess Enya. Well, here is Enya. Before. Okay, let's see if we can break this sculpture. And that's how we deassess a Binkley sculpture. Now that the fissure is open, one can see the evidence of bright green acid rain that has eaten deep into the white marble. And 27 years after her creation, Enya is no more.